Take a look at this massive ass tractor. 9630 John Deere. Holy jeez. There it is, started off, sweet. Big ass tractor. Holy shit. Big ass tractor. 8 tires on this son of a bitch. And they're big ones too. Taller than me. Pulling the tiller. Center articulating tractor. As one big son of a bitch. Takes up the whole damn road. Holy shit. There it goes. I also asked the guy if it's similar to another guy that had this video of a 9250 John Deere. This 9250 John Deere had throttle on the seat or so. So you just set it out of position and forget it or so. And just keep going down along the field and all that. Because you have it just set that throttle position. I asked him if it was like that. And he said, yeah, it's the same one. It makes it really easy so that we just set it to that. And we keep it at, and keeps at the same speed once we put it in gear and all that. So it's a massive machine. Holy shit. Center articulating, like I said, but that's probably the biggest tractor I've ever seen. Yeah, the biggest tractor I've ever seen, bar none. Hope you liked it. See ya.